Hey, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are taking good care of yourself. Welcome back to your social science class. I'm Priyanka Minocha. So, today we will be doing the revision of our history chapter 4, the first cities. So, please listen to this revision very carefully because I will be covering all the important points in this revision. So, let's start. In the Neolithic age, when the early humans started settling, the river valleys were the areas where the people settled first. So the first civilization in Indian subcontinent emerged near the river Indus, and that civilization came to be known as the Indus Valley Civilization. And the first cities that emerged were the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These were the two important sites of Indus civilization also. It is also called as Harappan civilization as Harappa was the first site to be excavated here. This civilization was spread over large parts of present-day Pakistan and the Indian states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Most of the cities of Indus Valley civilization were very well planned and they were divided into two parts, the citadel and the lower town. One part was built on a raised ground, it is called the citadel. And other part called the lower town was at a lower height but much bigger in area. The citadel consisted of many important buildings of the Harappan cities. It consisted of granaries, public buildings, religious buildings, and a assembly hall. The lower town was divided into wide sections. The streets cut each other at right angles. People used baked bricks to build their houses. The houses were 1 or 2 stories high. And they had several rooms like kitchen, bathroom. Every house had a well. Harappan cities also had a strong drainage system. Every house had a drain which were connected to the main street drains. They were covered with bricks and were cleaned from time to time. One of the most impressive structure at Harappan cities is the Great Bath. It is rectangular structure and it resembles a swimming pool. People living in villages grew crops and reared cattle. Farming was the main occupation. Wheat and barley were the main crops. Rice, pulses, mustard were also grown there. Craftsmen made pots, seals, toys, ornaments, and many other objects. These goods were exchanged with many Central Asian countries like Mesopotamia, Persia, Oman, and Afghanistan. The Harappan script has been engraved on numerous seals that have been found at all the Indus Valley sites. It is the earliest form of writing discovered in India. It had picture-like signs representing words, objects, and ideas. Lothal, Dholavira, and Goladharo are the three important Harappan sites that were still present in Gujarat. At Lothal, a dockyard was also being found, which suggests that Lothal was a port for overseas trade, possibly with the Central Asian countries. Dholavira was different from other Indus cities in that it was divided into not two but three parts: a citadel, a middle town, and this was the lower town. The Harappan cities declined around 1500 BCE. The number of people living in cities became less. Overseas trade stopped. They started using sun-dried bricks. Some of the main reasons for this decline maybe were the natural disasters, earthquakes, floods, epidemics, or change in the course of river Indus. People started abandoning the cities and they moved towards the smaller settlements. In this chapter, basically, we have learned that the first civilization that emerged near the river valleys was the Indus Valley civilization, which was also known as Harappan civilization. Then we have learned about the extent, sites, cities of the Indus Valley civilization, and the reasons why this civilization declined over the time. I hope this revision will prove beneficial for you. If you still have any query, you can discuss with me in the online class or you can ask me in the comment box. But do mention your name and section. Thank you for watching, students. Please take good care of yourself.